Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to download and play Dispatch freely on your PC, in today's video we are going to find out if it is possible or not. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that we can start by going over to Steam. Steam is one of the software application where you can download any of the games available out on the internet. And then once you look out for it, this should be the particular interface you should be finding. So you can directly use the search bar at the top and type in dispatch here. So type in dispatch and hit enter. And you should be finding the results. So you can look out for dispatch here. And this is a particular game. It is a realistic experience game. So you can just go over and do so. So when you scroll down, you can look out for the dispatch editions. So if you're trying to download it, the thing is, you can see right now, we do have some discount available, but in order to download it, you need to add it to cart and go on with the payment process because it is not a free game. So you cannot do it for free. So if you still want to download the game, you can look out for the game here. And go ahead and click on add to cart and continue shopping and then go on with the payment process. You can look out for continue to payment and then basically go ahead and download that particular game this way. So this is only the way possible if you really want to download the dispatch officially through the registered way. This says the process you need to follow because it is a paid game. You need to pay a certain amount for that. But we have a free demo version. If you want to look out for the demo instead, you can look out for download demo and then instead download the demo version and look out for desktop shortcut, create a start menu shortcut and install it, and you can play a demo version for a certain period. And that should also give you a similar experience if you're looking out for free. But this is usually what you should do. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.